Scarlett, can you tell me what your favorite thing about kindergarten is?
And my favorite part of kindergarten is going on the playground and playing with my friends. Have a great back to school year.
And tell all the mommies and daddies to take a nice rest.
All the mommy and daddies take a nice rest. Oh. Now let's get to the deal.
We're back in Club Target. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on Bliss Skincare. So Bliss Skincare this week is a buy one, get one 50% off sale. So I'm just going to round this guy up to 10 bucks. So it's $9.99. So you can buy one for 10 bucks, get the second for $5. So I will say, okay, so I did do a update on Bliss Skincare. So I'm going to take something back from the skincare line that has not caused me skin irritation. So this is what I would like to share with you guys right here. It's the Milk Makeup. It's a dry wet cleanser, and what I use for this is like taking my eye makeup off. I just have this guy in my shower, and then at the end of the night when I'm ready to get my makeup off, I go ahead and rinse it off. This has not caused me any skin irritation. There is rose flower in it, but I will show you something that has caused me skin irritation. This gel glow peel caused me irritation. All of the masks, because they're all scented. I have a feeling that this would probably be terrible on my skin. I wanted to try this, but I'm not even gonna go near it. It's the Watermelon Replenishing Watermelon Toner. So if you have really sensitive skin, I would be very, very careful if you're opting to try it, but I will say that the Makeup Melt is really good. Another product that you might enjoy is the Makeup Wipe. So these are $5.99, we can round it to $6, so you can get two of them for $8, which is a great deal because I think CVS has one package of the wipes for $8 just by itself. So if you guys want to try out Bliss Skincare, you can go in store or you can do this deal online. Hey guys, so we have a really nice deal in the Nexus hair care aisle. So the Nexus is buy two and get one free. So this is a really good deal on some Nexus products here at Target because they are priced a lot better than over at CVS. So the item that I've been using, they don't have in stock at my store, but it's this like oil serum. I got it about 2 weeks ago and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm gonna have it linked below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So yeah, I think buy two, get one free is a really good deal. And if you are a Fetch Rewards member, you're gonna get bonus points on Fetch Rewards with any Nexus purchase. Okay, you guys, so we have a really nice deal on Windex here at Target. So Windex is on a buy one, get one 20%. Windex is priced for $3.29. So it's buy one, get one 20%. And we have printable 75-cent off one coupons. Go ahead and print two of those coupons. Use two of them, so it makes them $2.21 each. Now, a product that I would highly recommend to you guys is the multi-service. And in the back of my mind, I remember Michelle from My Own Identity talking about this product, and I recently tried it and I absolutely love it. So my store doesn't have it because the smaller Target has select inventory, but definitely look for the yellow bottle with the multi-surface. So I've really been enjoying that one. Okay, guys, so we have a nice deal on some Method here at Target. So the Method all-purpose cleaners, as well as the Method what are they, the wipes, the disinfecting wipes, they there is a 20% off Target Cartwheel. So $3.29 is the lowest that I'm seeing. So $3.29, you take 20% off. So I know you guys love math with Gina. So $3.29, that'll take 65 cents off. So now you're down to $2.64. So not a bad deal on some Method cleaners, and especially if you don't have the Windex coupons, you can get it for a few cents more going with Method versus the Windex. So you can pick and choose this week on what you want to do. Okay, so this music just gets me going, you guys. All right, so we have a household promo. So when you buy 3 household products, you're gonna get a $10 gift card. So what I want you to do is pick up one of the Downies. These are priced for $9.99, and then I want you guys to go ahead and pick up one of the Tide liquids. So they are priced for $11.99, and then I want you to pick up one of the Tide pods that are also priced for $11.99. So we have some coupons that you can just get inside of your Target Cartwheel. So you don't even need actual physical coupons because Target Cartwheel has you covered. If you don't know how to use Target Cartwheel, I'll leave a video link below explaining how to do it. So I want you to buy all the 3 items I mentioned. So you're at $33.97. You're going to use a $2 off 1 coupon for the liquid Tide, a $2 off 1 coupon for the Tide Pods, and a $2 off 1 for the Downy. So you're going to pay $27.97, then you get a $10 Target gift card back, making it $5.99 each. So this is a killer deal. So if it's your week to get Tide, then definitely go and stock it up. Target always runs this promo, so I'm still working off of my Tide products that I got like 3 weeks ago. So I'm not purchasing right now, but maybe in about 2 weeks will be when I'll need to purchase. I don't like stockpile my laundry detergent because I always know there's going to be a deal like the next week. There's always a deal on laundry detergent. So anytime you see these deals, like, don't feel pressure that you need to go out and do this deal, because this deal literally runs like almost once every week, if not once, like twice a month. So keep that in mind. Guys, so we have a repeat deal on the Mitchum deodorants. The Mitchum deodorants are priced for $2.99. We have a 40% off Target Cartwheel and $1 off 1 coupon. So that makes the Mitchum deodorant 79 cents. Now, if you've sent over coupons for Rachel, I'm going to be forwarding them to her this week so that she can stock her dad and brother up on this Mitchum deodorant. Okay, guys, so I have a deal for you guys in the granola bar section. So my store doesn't have the Kids Kind bars, but if you can find the Kids Kind bars, they're on sale for $3, and we have a $1.50 off 1 coupon. No, we have a $1.50 off 1 you can submit to Ibotta, so it makes it $1.50, which I think is a great deal. We also have a repeat deal on the Justin's almond butter. So we're just gonna do some dance with Gina as we go over some of the items that my store doesn't have stock of. So the Justin's almond butter, like the little single packs, they are priced for $1. There's 50% off 1 rebates on Ibotta you can submit to make them 50 cents each. We also have the Almay. Let's see. Okay, where's Almay? Almay, where are you? Okay, so the Almay Thickening Mascara, so it is priced for $4.99, but you can price match to $3.39 on Target.com for the black only. And then we still have the 3 off 1 coupons from the 8-4 Retail Me Not, so that makes it just 39 cents. We also still have that mail-in rebate offer for the Pacific Shaving Company. So you purchase the Pacific Shaving Company shaving cream or aftershave, and you can send a mail-in rebate. Let's see, just going through my list to see what I know my store is not going to have. Okay, I think that's it. Hopefully that's it. Okay guys, so we have a really good deal on Pepsi and Frito-Lay products. So when you spend $20 or more, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. And included in this deal is the bubbly sparkling waters. They're priced 3 for $10 or $3.33 each. So what you can do is buy 6 of them for $20. Get that $5 Target gift card, so it makes them 6 for $15, which is a really good deal. The Ocean Spray Growing Juices, so they're priced for $3. My store does not have the stock here. They're priced for $3. We have a $1 off 1 coupon from the 811 Smart Source, and you can submit $1 to Ibotta. So that just makes it $1 each. And my kids have really enjoyed these juice boxes, so definitely take a look in your Target, click that coupon, and get your juice boxes for $1 a box. All right, so the Faya yogurts are 10 for 10, and that's a great sale price for Faya yogurts. It makes them $1 each. I think Nicole did an Instagram of Whole Foods being the same price. So I think stock up for Faya yogurt is definitely $1 a container. All right, so the Too Good yogurts are on sale again this week, 4 for $5 or $1.25 each. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $2.50. We have a 50-cent off 2 coupon you can print from coupons.com, and a 50-cent back onto on Ibotta. So it's going to make it $1.50 for 2 or 75 cents a cup, which I think is a really good deal because we're starting at $1.49. Okay guys, so we have a really nice cartwheel on the Dave's Killer Bread. So there's different options here. So we have the Good Seed, but the lowest one that I'm seeing is on the 60 calorie slice. So it's $4.89, and we have a 20% off Target Cartwheel, and you can submit $1 to Ibotta. So this is a great time to stock up on some Dave's Killer Bread. We have a really nice deal on the Barilla Ready Pasta. So this is is priced for $1.79. There's a 15% off Target Cartwheel, and we still have dollar off one coupons from the $7.28 retail me not. So it makes this 52 cents, so great deal. So we have a nice deal on the Annie's box mac and cheese. So they are on sale for 99 cents, but they're also buy 4, get 1 free. We have some printable coupons that you can print. I think it's from lozo.com, so I'll leave that coupon linked below. So again, it's buy 4, get 1 free. Guys, so it is never too early to shop for Christmas. So Target has a really nice coupon for gift cards. So when you spend $50 or more in the toy section, or if you spend $100 or more in the toy section, you're either gonna get a $10 Target gift card or a $25 gift card. Now you can do this in store, you can do this online, but I think that this is a really nice promo and it gets you a kickstart for Christmas time. It does exclude entertainment, electronics, Legos, Barbie Dreamhouse, Mega Blocks, infant toys 0 to 12, and Bullseye Playground. So there's a lot of things you can choose from here, so never too early to shop. All right, so now is your time to start looking for some clearance. So I'm seeing 50% off clearance for like summer swimsuits and stuff. So if you know someone who is expecting a baby, this could be a good time to, you know, stock up. So my good friend here, Danny from the Bueno Bunch, she's having a little girl in November. So let's see, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So maybe like 6 months would be good. Maybe 6 to 9. Danny, don't watch this video because I'm buying this for you. Okay, so I have a kindergartner right now, and I can't be the only mom that comes home with the lunch still full. So I don't know what Scarlett's deal is with her lunch. I don't know if it's just new, she's still anxious, or maybe she's just too excited to go out and play. But I think I'm gonna start giving her some of these Pediasures probably in the morning time, just so she has some more in her. So there is 27 minerals, 7 grams of protein. So I'm looking on the back here. So let's just look at the ingredients. So there is a lot of sugar in here. So I'm going off of the Pediasure and the Carnations. So let's see, 28 grams, 1 bottle. I could do like half a serving and just mix it up in her milk. I think I'm gonna do that. 15 grams of protein versus 7. I think I'm actually gonna go with this one because there's higher protein in it, and I could just kind of do half a serving in her milk. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. Okay, so we have a few deals in the baby section. So the first off, I want you guys to look for Johnson & Johnson starting at the $2.99 price point, because we got 2 off 1 coupons last week in our Smart Source, so that's gonna make this guy just 99 cents, which is a great deal. But there's also a gift card promo running. So when you buy 3 of the $4.99 items, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $4.99. It gets you to $14.97. You can use a 2 off 1 from the 8 to 18 Smart Source, and then you can use a $1 off 1. So we got 2 off 1s and $1 off 1s. So you'll end up paying $11.97. You get a $5 Target gift card, making them $2.32, or you can just opt to just come in and get 1 of them, and it makes it 99 cents. All right, so I just want to point out this Mead composition book. So they are priced for 99 cents, and inside there are $14 worth of coupons on the inside. So if you were in the market of needing to get a composition book, look for the ones that have coupons inside. So we have some nice coupons in here, actually. So there's one for $1 off Elmer's, there's $1 off Kleenex, $1 off Suaves, so some really nice coupons inside of here. All right, so there's still time to take advantage of those mail-in rebates for the Bic Gelosity. We have one for the 5 count, the 3 count, and the 12 pack. So I will have a, I have like hiccups. So I will have a, so I will have a link below to the mail-in rebate information if you want to go ahead and take advantage of that. Target. I know why you have all of this upbeat music in here, because if someone rolls in here having a bad day, all they need to do is listen to the music, and then they're gonna feel better, and then they're gonna buy more. Target, I'm on to you.